Davao City, the largest urban center on the island of Mindanao. This city is made up of mountain ranges, farms, huge swaths of forest, and dense city districts, like the one I'm in today. Davao is a true melting pot of cultures, where Muslims and Christians coexist and food is diverse and deeply rooted. I'm led through this barangay by the legendary Aunty Lingling, cultural bearer and elder of the Tausug tribe, who are originally from the Sulu archipelago. I'm introduced to her children and grandchildren, which all combined total 30, all of whom are involved in Bungalima, a dance troupe dedicated to preserving Tausug culture. I even meet the family cat, however, I didn't get her name since she was pretty busy. The home and balcony is decorated with beautiful Tausug tapestries and traditional clothing, but the primary reason for my visit this afternoon is the food. Her grandson shows an illustrious display of Java rice wrapped in banana leaf and a variety of sweet rice desserts. And the crown jewel of today, this striking black stew called Tiyula Itum. Before my taste buds get the chance to meet this new dish, let us first see how it's made. Aunty Lingling transfers tenderized beef into a separate bowl, leaving behind the delicious beef broth which will be added later. The broth is made even more intense by using great cuts like cheek, neck, and oxtail. In preparation, she rolls up her sleeves. Once the wok is piping hot with oil, sliced garlic in, sautéed until aromatic. We will avoid completely frying the garlic, only light browning at most. Then, hefty chunks of ginger, immediately followed by fresh cuts of turmeric root, an ingredient that is almost always substituted in the States for the powdered form. This trio will be sautéed just a bit until red onions are added to the party. I must say, even at this early stage of cooking, the smell is already invigorating, which is leading to a rumbling in my stomach. This may look like pulverized charcoal, but it's actually charred coconut meat. Grounded into a fine powder, this unique ingredient is added to the meat, mixed, and put into the wok. Neat bundles of lemongrass are added into the wok. This will aid with neutralizing bitter flavors and increasing an already dramatic and delicious aroma. Chopped labuyo sili pepper, also known as wild pepper, follows behind. Labuyo sili is small, but it packs a punch. Falling between 100 to 350,000 Scoville heat units, these are significantly hotter than jalapenos. While the first impression may be heat, labuyo also has fruity, sharp, and slightly citrusy notes, making it a great flavor enhancer. The broth from earlier returns and is ready to flood the wok with a savory, rich, beefy flavor. To reinforce the earthy, warm, and bitter notes of the turmeric root, turmeric powder is added. And as you can see, any ingredient that makes contact with the charred coconut powder has no choice but to adopt its strong, dark color.
It really turns black.
A conservative dashing of pepper is added to the wok, along with a nice, generous, and liberal amount of bay leaves. While waiting for the Tiyula Itum to boil and simmer, I ask our gracious host, Aunty Lingling, to share a little bit about herself.
So Tausug is a language as well.
Yes,
So you speak Tausug, Tagalog, and Bisaya?
Bisaya. Tagalog, Tausug, Bisaya, at saka Ilonggo.
What's Ilonggo?
Ilonggo in Iloilo.
Iloilo. But the Tausug is not originally from Davao.
From
correct?
Ilosolo. Then when I'm 1 month old, my father and mother go to Davao. My religion is Islam. Mm-hmm. Every Friday go to masjid.
Is the mosque?
Yes.
The mosque is close.
Yes.
Once the stew finally comes to a boil, it's tasted and salted accordingly. This step is done later in the cooking process of almost any stew to avoid over-salting and seasoning your food due to the reduction process that naturally occurs when simmering or boiling. Because I'm a curious cook, I do as curious cooks do. Taste every ingredient in sight.
Can I just taste as is?
Yes.
Yeah.
Inog lang yan na inanog, grills lang, pero sunog.
It's really earthy. Yeah.
You wash your hands there.
Finally, the Tiyula Itum is ready, transferred out of the hot wok into a bowl and transferred again into a serving vessel to feed the whole family. It's worth noting that Tiyula Itum directly translates from the Tausug language into English as Tiula, meaning soup, and Itum, meaning black. The family insists I eat first. I go ahead and serve myself. However, I'm also given notice of a surprise showcase of a cultural Tausug dance and music performance put on by Aunty Lingling's grandchildren, which I invite you to watch with me while I enjoy my Tiyula Itum.
Now. Wow. And the ginger. It's really good. And it's not at all what you'd expect, because I tried the burnt coconut by itself, and it's like charcoal. Like what you could cook with. But then once it's added to the beef, it's like a rich earthiness.
Yes. Parang hindi pa, dagdag natin ito, gusto mo. Dagdagan natin para iitim talaga.
So you can add more for the kulay?
Yes. To get black.